First time watching Kota Factory. Good morning. I mean, good evening, people. Came home late yesterday. Lord Alto. So we have to take this guy. Go. Time is 3:40. Like I said, time is 3:40. I have to go and have lunch. I need to came to take my bike away. So yeah, nice peaceful day. Slept almost since morning. Woke up, had breakfast, and then slept for a bit. Didn't have lunch. Going to have lunch now. I'll show you what I'm having for lunch. Watching this today, Panchayat. I watched it at least 3 times. Season 2 parents are watching. Beautiful, beautiful series. You guys need to watch it. Tomorrow, I haven't told you still. Tomorrow there's a Satyanarayan Puja in our house. So I have to get few things from for the puja. So I got these for tomorrow. Came to have lunch. Searching where this fellow is. Nope, not there. Hello guys, I look smashed. Although I didn't drink, I don't drink anymore. Had gone to Abhijit's house for the housewarming party, met all my cousins, met Praveen, Jackie. Like I said, it was Jackie's birthday yesterday. Again, happy birthday, Jackie. Came back by around, I think, 3:34. Edited the vlog, and then till I slept, it was 5 a.m. Then woke up at around 10. Had breakfast. Watched Kota Factory. It's amazing. You need to watch it. Season 3 has come, so I was just catching up from season 1 and 2. And post that again, slept for a while. Vlog I forgot to export it, so it took a long time to show. Haven't vlogged anything about the party or the housewarming. Not everybody is comfortable being in the vlog. So yeah, just come for lunch now. I know it's late, 3:45. So I'll have lunch, watch a little bit of Panchayat, do some masti, go to get or help my parents go get something for the puja tomorrow. So yeah, resting. I'm too tired. This sleep cycle goes off for a toss. Huh? So what are you guys up to? How's your weekend going? There's Formula 1 today, Spanish Grand Prix. I think the qualifying will start in another 11 minutes. Let's see Formula 1. Finally race week. Got oiling massage done. Needed to get it done once in 2-3 days. With some chai. I've stopped having coffee for a few days now. No more coffee for me. Just chilling with some chai. Cheers. Mom also having chai. What are you having? How much are you on the phone always? Busy on the phone. What plans tomorrow? I was telling you about Satyanarayan Puja.
10 o'clock Satyanarayan Puja.
Okay. I have to sit?
Yeah. In your name.
Oh, okay.
You only have to do.
Oh, okay. How?
Everybody will come to take prasad and for a cup of tea.
Oh, okay. That's it, right? There's no other program for tomorrow.
No.
Okay. Look at these two babies. Hello. Hello. Where's the other one? Hi. This guy is always inside, Mr. Bell, and is interested in what's happening. Also, look at this cutie. Why? Why are you so cute? Where's your other fellow, Philly? Look at her on top here. Such a sweetheart. Bye bye. Done with chai. Going to get some fruits. Weather is amazing. Looks like it's gonna rain. Applied oil. So feel good Saturday. This is 7:30 is qualifying. Good results in the practice. Hamilton is 1, Carlos Sainz is 2, and Lando Norris is 3. Thank God someone apart from the Red Bull. Amazing. Formula 1 is going to be superb today. Tomorrow is the race. Today it's at 7:30 qualifying. Tomorrow race is at 6:30. Yeah. Watching Big Boss OTT. Have Mr. Arman Malik, and he's the number 1, I think, YouTuber in India. It's gonna be fun. Anybody watching Big Boss OTT? Comment one. Just wanted to show you something. This is the top box that we manufacture, that I manufacture by myself. So this is how it looks. This is you get these extra rods here and here for support for this carrier. So that's done by Mr. Palaksha. This is the top box. Decent space it has. It can hold up to 1 helmet. Good waterproof. Good. I've just attached it like a permanent fix. Now I have to use some sliders and then change it accordingly. I thought I'll show you this top box. And this also I manufacture. This is plastic ones which you get in the market, but I have made it into metal. I can put some sort of acrylic background with a LED light as well to glow. This I have got it painted. I manufacture these also on the Himalayas. I manufacture these also, as well as the bash plate I manufacture, and I manufacture this also, brake liquid guard, and this radiator guard. All of this I manufacture. Any of you guys want accessories for the Himalayan, please let me know. Hello guys, this is Vijay Simha's Himalayan. It's called Himalayan. So this he got painted in Expedition Motors. Pali does an amazing job. So this is another box which we manufactured, which is there on his bike. This also has a support system, and it is also permanent fix. You have to change it now, make it replaceable whenever possible. Then as usual have this, manufactured this, and this is a different type, and then the brake guard. Also had the headlight guard, headlight guard, sorry, and here also. All of this. Today I thought I could walk, but I'm giving it a rest day for today and tomorrow. Start fresh from Monday. So that's what I was just wanted to tell you, that I manufacture the headlight guard as well. But once I fix it, I'll show you. Watching Formula 1 qualifying. Leclerc leading. Really good. All are watching, guys. It's going to be a nice, amazing race. Guys, done with Sunday. About to go to sleep. Had a decent, peaceful Saturday. Not Sunday, my bad. Saturday. And also, last but not least, happy birthday, Mr. Pratik. One of my best friends, one of my best childhood friends ever. Love you, man. Stay happy, stay blessed. Always. Cheers, my man. Also, guys, whoever have not subscribed, please subscribe, Mari. Take care. Good night. See you in the puja tomorrow.